was the last time that you played with the bounce back paddle ball or even taught someone else how to play the bounce back paddle ball? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play the bounce back paddle ball 2 tutorial made easier and more fun. 5 years ago, I taught how to play the bounce back paddle ball right on YouTube. So this is tutorial number 2, and the string is shorter to begin with. It's 28 inches long. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sima, and I am here to help seniors with their health, happiness, and prosperity. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit the ball 10 times up. So if you have a paddle ball in your home, please go and get it right now. This is the bounce back paddle ball. If you have a little one with you, bring them on in because we're going to be counting, learning how to count. Let's go. Start with 10 paddles. Now I'm going to do 20. The bounce back paddle ball is a nostalgic toy in which you learned back in the 60s and 70s, where my mom taught me how to play. Now, the good thing about the bounce back paddle ball is that you can actually get some exercise. You can actually get some exercise. I'm going to do something real special for you. I'm going to go all the way to the back of this aisle, and then I'm going to come forward and see if I can bounce back with the paddle ball. Let's get it. Do you still see me? Can you still see me? Can you still see me? I hope you brought your little ones for this fun game because it is fun. 28 inches of fun. That was 20 times. Now, if you're teaching your child or your grandchild how to count, then we can do that too. I'm going to start with the number 5. I know our kids are really smart these days. They catch on so fast because they're watching these videos that's teaching them lots of fun things, and they're growing and developing sometimes too fast. But we're going to slow down the pace. If you got a little one with you, we're going to count to 5. Let's go. Okay. Did you count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the bounce back paddle ball can help you with getting the heart rate up, which is very important for your cardio. This game helps you with hand and eye coordination. Look closely. Bounce back paddle ball. I shortened the string to make it shorter. You can shorten the string even more to shorten it some more. But this is a great length. It's a good length. I'm going to try bouncing it to the side. Now get ready, because this one will be a challenge for me. Are you ready? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa, hand-eye coordination. I did it 6 times. Can I do it more? Let's see. It's all over the place. And this is how it happens with the paddle ball. So when that happens, you might want to take a break, step to the side, and get back in the game. It's okay to start and stop, I did it. I called it out. So practice how many paddles you want to make. Keep the jumping going, energize, keep the energy going, because if you want to wear your little one out, paddle ball is the game, because it will keep them bouncing around and jumping around. By the end of the day, they're ready to collapse and take a nap. 20 times. Let's go. I'm going to do it again. See how far I can go. Here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Ooh, I can actually do more, but I really enjoyed playing with you today. And please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos on my page, Defining Moments Today 64. Defining Moments Today 64. And just keep exercise going. You can do this outside. You can do this indoors. So you can make it as fun as you want. You can compete with someone. If you get another paddle ball, you can go to your local hobby store where they're going to have this nice one. This is the bounce back paddle ball by Toy Smith. This is one of the best. You get some of the other ones, you know, be prepared to suffer the consequences. Oh, it's been fun. It's been fun. I want to do some more. So I'm going to just paddle on the way all the way out.